What is the cause for snoring in children? There are so many children between 2 and 6 who snore a lot. What is the cause for snoring in children? Usually, there is a tissue behind the nose called the adenoids, or it can be due to upper respiratory tract infection, common cold. So, the commonest cause is adenoid and cold. So, how do you recognize it? The children can have hard of hearing. They will not pay attention to the teacher, or they will sleep during day. They'll be very dull. So this indicates that the patient has adenoids. They'll keep snoring. And once they snore, you can use nasal douching, which I have already talked about, or nasal spray.